Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo, the silver medalist for today. This printer is just packed with cool features. One of them is the multicolor printing capability. You can print in up to 4 colors now, with plans to extend to 8 colors in the near future. This is perfect for those who want to add a vibrant splash to their creations without settling for monochrome models, something you don't typically find in cheap printers. The Kobra 3's intelligent design is a major plus too. It includes clever features like nozzle clog detection and automatic filament refill. This means less time troubleshooting issues and more time focusing on what really matters, the printing. Plus, with its sealed storage design, your filament stays dry and ready for use. Speed is another area where the Kobra 3 shines. It prints at a blazing speed of up to 600 mm/s, which is about 12 times faster than many standard FDM printers. That's right, 12 times. This fast printing capability means you can bring your ideas to life swiftly, allowing more room for creativity and experimentation. To top it off, the printer includes vibration compensation thanks to its built-in G sensors. This ensures your prints come out smooth and free from those annoying ringing issues, a common problem in many other 3D printers. Ease of use is another highlight, making it great for beginners. The pre-installed features and automatic leveling mean you can start printing almost straight out of the box, which is a huge time saver. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it.